Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Cliff with Pan Flamingo Power Wash. Back another video for you guys. Today I'm out working in Newport Richey. I was just here last week for this customer where I did a gutter cleaning in the pool deck. I said pool screen. Like I said, I will be back this week to do the driveway and some rust removal. I'm gonna be using the product, cheap product, but does the job. As you remember, last week I did this square here as far as a demo form, you know, so we're gonna be doing the rest of the rust removal over here from the sprinklers. Got some spots on the driveway also right here around this area here, and we're gonna surface clean the rest. Pretty easy process. Got a couple of jobs on the schedule today, so you know, it's gonna get this one started. Right now it's about 9, almost, I think 9:45. Let me see. 9:45. So let's see how long it takes us to do this, so we can move on to the next. When I get to the rust removal, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be using. All right, let's get it. All right, we're gonna start by downstreaming the driveway. It's not terribly bad, so you probably won't have to let it dwell as long as usual. But I like to put a layer of SH down just to help me, you know, move the surface cleaner faster. So we downstream the driveway, the walkway, and the little small sidewalk on the side. Right now I'm just gonna clear out my hose, make sure I got clean water coming through, and then we're gonna start surface cleaning. So what I do with when I'm flushing out my hose, I just go ahead and spray, you know, the remaining on the heavy spots, just to touch them up again, so I don't waste the SH that's in the hose. All right. Usually it takes about 30 seconds for clear water to start to come out. All right, so as you guys see, what I do with big driveways, I break them down in sections so it's easy to clean. Therefore, also I don't let the dirt dry on the driveway for the parts that I already clean. So this is a pretty big driveway, so I'm gonna break it down pretty much in two sections, make it easy on me. I got one section done right now. I'm gonna clean this side here and rinse that, and then I got this part down there to do, make it easy on myself. All right, we got the whole driveway surface cleaned up, ready for the rust removal now. I'm gonna start from the back area and work my way to the front. This driveway here was I think it was painted. It's old though, but definitely gonna bring it back to life, just like this area right here. All right, guys, so this is it. This is the product I'm using right here. Rust Aid Rust Remover Outdoor, Home Depot, $10. So you guys see what I'm doing? Look at the results. Everything is back nice and clean. I'm gonna show you guys this section right here, and this is gonna be in real time. I'm not gonna speed this one up. Just cover the rust up. Magic will happen. You guys see, this is not sped up or nothing like that. This is just applying it and let it go to work. Right before your eyes. You can tell the difference where there's rust, no rust. Clean all that foam. I'm gonna go ahead and start working on this area now. This is not algae, that's just paint, old driveway, but everything came off nicely. We at the second job right now for the day. This is a returning customer of mine. I did her house about 6 months ago. I did the pool deck and the pool screen. Today I'm back, I'm gonna be doing a wooden deck, doing pool deck again, and a small little shed. You know, just get everything cleaned up. Shouldn't be too complicated. Let's go check it out.
There's a bottle of water over there for you.
All right, thank you very much. So this is the pool deck. We did it about 6 months ago in the pool cage. The cage still looking good. No algae on it. But pool deck could use some cleaning. We're gonna be doing this little gazebo wooden deck right here. Knock it out for them. They had a rug over there. I took that rug off. I don't know how long that was there, but we're gonna try to match it as close as possible. Get that cleaned up in this area. Alright, we got the project all done. Knocked out the little gazebo deck, did the pool deck, and the little shed form. Here's the results. This is where the grill was. This is the deck right here, cleaned up. Pool deck is all cleaned up too. That pool deck is popping, boy. Look at that. And while I was here, I did the pool furniture for them. Got them nice and white. All right, man. We're done with the job, man. I'm gonna show you guys some pictures. I took some before and after pictures. The project was pretty good, especially that shed. That shed came out really good. Heading out to the third job. I'm going to Sefner, Florida, which is about 30 minutes east of Tampa. And going out that job out, be done for the day. It's hot in Florida today, man. It's 92 degrees right now. Burning up. I might have to change my shirt. All right, man, I'll see y'all there. All right, we're live in effect, man. Third job for the day. We got this 3-car garage driveway. We're gonna do a sidewalk. We're also gonna hit them up with soffits and overhang cleaning. Kind of dirty up here on the fascia of the roof. We're gonna downstream this, bring it back clean. Hey guys, she's all done. Sorry I couldn't finish the last little bit of getting the fascia done. My battery died on my GoPro. I had to plug it up, but everything came out nice. It's in clean, man. Get closer for you guys. This is an older house, so you can tell there's some paint missing right here. I don't know if you guys can see, but the fascia itself is clean. The soffits are clean. Appreciate all the love, man, all the support. I'll be dropping another video for y'all probably in the next day or two, so be on the lookout. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.